Hello everyone, today we are going to solve an Oxford Math admission question asked in 2021. It's a trigonometric question. It says sine square 1 degree plus sine square 2 degree plus then sine square 89 degree plus sine square 90 degree is equal to what? Find the value of this expression. First recall that cosine x is equal to sine 90 degree minus x. Isn't it? This is equal to sine 90 degree cosine x minus cosine 90 times sine x. This part is completely 0. Sine 90 degrees 1, so this is equal to cosine x. Squaring both sides of the equation, then cosine square x is equal to sine square 90 degree minus x. Let me erase this part. Next, recall that sine square x plus cosine square x is equal to 1. Substituting for cosine square x gives us 1 minus sine square x. This implies that cosine square x is equal to 1 minus sine square x. Then 1 minus sine square x is equal to sine square 90 minus x. Which implies that sine square x plus sine square 90 minus x, let me erase this part, is equal to 1. We would use this identity to solve the problem, okay? This identity. If x is equal to 1 degree, then sine square 1 degree plus sine square 90 minus 1 is degree is equal to 1, which implies that sine square 1 degree plus sine square 89 degree is equal to 1. Then let me change the color. Then sine square 1 degree plus sine square 89 degree is equal to 1. And sine square 2 degree plus sine square 88 degree is equal to 1. If we continue like this, then sine square 44 degree plus sine square 46 degree is equal to 1. This period continues until we get it's equal to, add these terms, it will be 44. It's 44. 44 pairs. It means 44 pairs. So we have evaluated 88 terms which are equal to 44. But entire sum has 90 terms. Entire sum has 90 terms. There are still 2 terms we need to add. They are sine 45 degree plus sine 90 degree plus 44. Sine 45 degree square. Sine square 45 degree plus sine square 90 degree. Sine square 45 degree is 1 over square root of 2 square plus sine 90 degree is 1 square plus 44. This is 1 over 2 plus 1 plus 44, which is equal to 45.5. That's the answer. I hope it's clear. This is a quite very nice question for the trigonometry.